Hi guys, it's Elise here from House of Brazen, where I help women entrepreneurs manifest more money into their businesses and lives. $10,000, how I made my last 10 grand. What you should know is that I am at the level in my business where I'm making about 10 grand a month, mostly passively from my business. So it's a pretty normal thing for me. So what I'm about to tell you is just like normal standard business practices for me. So the first thing that I have started doing is moving up promoting an offer from once or twice a month to basically any time of the month that I want. So how I look at this is I can offer something every single day if I want. Like I've taken the pressure off myself and I can offer something every single day. And the reason I've moved up to this is because I have been learning from a lot of businesswomen and marketers who naturally promote their offers every single day. So it's taken me quite a while to get here from a mindset perspective, like to align with that, because I know how scary it can be to go from maybe offering something once every couple of months to every month to every week to every day. Like it's horrifying because all of our fears come up like, oh my gosh, people are going to hate me. What if they unsubscribe? But you don't go from 0 to 100, right? Like you work up to it. And so over the years, I've slowly been working up to promoting more things every day. And I also have a lot more offers that I can rotate throughout the months, right? I don't have to just be promoting the same thing every month. And so this is basically what I've been doing. I haven't been creating anything super new. Like I haven't launched any new offers in the last few months at all. It's just been repositioning or re-promoting things that I've already created. So an example is I just ran a big sale for my business vault, which is like my vault of business trainings and courses for my audience, and that ran for a couple of days, and all I did was send out one email and it brought in a few $1,000. Easy, right? And then another thing is I had a big launch for my signature course, and it's my money mindset and manifestation course. So that was like a bigger launch. It went over roughly 2 weeks, maybe 1.5 weeks. So that brought in a few $1,000 as well. And now I'm just rolling out different offers, just based on how I feel, just what's aligned. Because once you're aligned, oh my God, business gets so much freaking fun, and you're not so worried about what everyone else thinks because you're following your heart and you're listening to guidance. You're not just like doing what other people say you should do. You're following your own intuition, right? And that's what I think you should always do. But there are 2 more things that I do as well. Number 2, on how I made my last 10 grand. I amped up my money mindset work. So as you know, I'm a money mindset mentor. But I also do the money mindset work. I can't be a mentor if I don't do the work. So I'm always doing this work. I'm always amping up the work. I'm always visualizing. I'm always working through my blocks through either journaling or forgiveness. I'm always doing the work. So basically what I realized is if I just amp it up and do it every single day, that is bound to create change in my life. As with anything, if I started working out every day, ain't gonna happen. But if I started like going to the gym every day and like doing weights and I don't know, whatever you do at a gym, I would see some results within a month, right? It's the same thing with doing mindset work. If you do it every day, you're gonna see huge results after a couple of months. So that's what I did. I amped up my money mindset work. Now I have a ton of resources and information on how you can transform your money mindset, manifest more money, clear out those blocks. Just go to houseofbrazen.com/the-vault and you can access all of those trainings there. All the links are below in the description. Go check them out. And then finally, the third thing that I have done to make my last 10K is follow the path of least resistance. It has been to keep my products on a very simple platform called Teachable. So a couple months ago, I had to actually move my products off Teachable and onto a different platform to like work with New Zealand tax laws and that. And it just became a friggin' nightmare. This new software, although it was really good and although I love the creators and everything, it was just like, it made my business feel cheap. And it made it feel like customers were becoming dissatisfied because they weren't getting the login info correctly, or they weren't seeing this thing, and then it would take me ages to like figure out how to get the correct information for them. And I was like, I just shouldn't be dealing with this at this level of my business. Like, it needs to be easier than this. So the path of least resistance for me was to bring everything back to Teachable. Yeah, and since I have moved everything back to Teachable, it is like a smooth running machine again. It is easy. People, like my affiliates, can get on there easier. Like, the affiliate program was a nightmare on this program. But now my affiliates can work on the platform easily. My students can get on the platform easily. When they sign up, they get the course material straight away. They don't have to like wait for an email to be sent or anything like that. It's just easy. And also Teachable is a trusted platform. It's just easy, right? The path of least resistance. So that's what I did. What was easier for my business? I simplified things. I made them complicated for a bit because I was listening to a professional tell me what I need to do for my business, but you know what? No, I'm gonna do what's right for my business, and then I will either hire someone or I will purchase a software service or something to work with the New Zealand tax stuff, right? So that's the path of least resistance for me. All right, so those are the 3 main things that I have used to make my last 10K. Bear in mind that this is just standard business for me, so it's nothing like amazing. I didn't do anything crazy other than just amp up my offers and my mindset work, right? Keep it simple. Find your path of least resistance. In fact, what I would love for you to do is tell me in the comments below what you think the path of least resistance is for you in your business. What have you found that has been the easiest way to make money? What have you found has been the easiest way to run your business or to sell your offers? Let me know in the comments below and we can have a little chat about it, okay? Other than that, I would love it if you could give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel because I love you very much. And I will catch you in the next episode.